Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the project management tools in Scrum framework. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management, software development and Scrum framework. So let's start. Friend, basically Scrum is nowadays very common and we are using a Scrum framework in many organizations for software development, mobile application development, web application development. Scrum is basically approach based on the agile concepts in which we divide the work into multiple chunks and we deliver the work to the customer with each sprint. Sprint is basically 3 to 4 weeks time period actually. So now if we talk about the tools which we are using for project management in Scrum framework, so nowadays many tools are available like Jira, uh, Trello, Asana. So many softwares are nowadays available which provides project management for Scrum framework projects as well. So basically, these tools provide a centralized platform for planning, tracking, managing the various aspects of a project. These tools are designed to support agile methodologies like a Scrum framework, Agile, and helps teams organize their work efficiently as well. So now it's become very simple and easier. My own self, I have seen that one team is sitting in for example in sitting in USA, one is sitting in Pakistan, and they are working together very easily, and product owner is in USA and the development team is in either in India or in Pakistan, and they are working on the software without any issue and without any problem, just because of using these sorts of softwares. So first thing is the user story and the backlog management. Friend, we know that user stories are very important. User story is basically a feature required in a product. Like for example, customer can do the payment through credit card and debit card. This is a user story. Customer can sign up into the e-commerce solution. This is another story. So by using these sorts of softwares, you can create the user stories as well. You can create, manage, capture requirements from perspectives of end users. So all those such things can be managed easily in such softwares. Then Scrum tools provide a backlog for organizing and prioritizing the user stories as well. The product backlog is basically the complete set of requirements for a product. Like it includes the feature set, it includes the bugs, enhancements, issues, etc. So product backlog serves as a dynamic repository for all the features, enhancements, and etc. So you can also maintain appropriately the product backlog in such softwares as well. Then friend, sprint planning means there are the tools available for facilitate the estimation of user stories using techniques like story points or time estimate or planning poker, etc., helping teams plan their capacity for upcoming sprints as well. So electronically or by using the softwares, you can also use the estimation, you can create the estimations as well. Then sprint planning boards are available. Like tools often include a planning board, allowing teams to drag and drop user stories from the backlog into the sprint backlog, ensuring a collaborative and visual approach as well. Like rather than using the whiteboard, for example, generally we use a whiteboard. On the whiteboard we are discussing the things. So electronic boards are nowadays available. Sprint planning boards are available. Like you just drag and like for example, product backlog is available, and from the product backlog you are just dragging the feature from the product backlog to the sprint backlog, and it will be added easily. So you can imagine, you can think that how much nowadays it's become easier to manage the project management in the Scrum framework. Then task tracking means that project management tools enable teams to break down user stories into tasks as well. Like for example, let me give an example here. For example, customer can sign up into the e-commerce solution. So what you will do, what are the tasks here? Obviously tasks related to software development. Like for example, you have to design the screens, you have to modify the databases, tables, you have to do the testing, you have to do the deployment. All such of tasks are available, and you can basically break down the feature into the task. So team members can create, assign, and track task, ensuring a granular view of the work to be done. And then task boards are available, like Scrum tools typically offers task boards that visualize the progress of tasks throughout the sprint, similar to Kanban board as well. Task board means that what are the tasks which are in to-do list, what are the tasks in progress list, and what are the tasks which have been completed as well. So task tracking is also available in these sorts of softwares. Then burn down charts and reporting. Burn down chart are basically the visual representation of the remaining work in the Scrum framework. So these tools automatically generate the burn down charts as well, which graphically represent the progress of the completed work against the planned work for a sprint. Burnout charts help teams identify trends and potential issues during the sprint as well. So rather than generating the burnout charts manually, you can use those softwares to automatically generate it as well. Then comprehensive reporting features provide insights into teams velocity. Velocity means the total number of user story points which you have completed in an sprint. So also it depicts the sprint progress in other key performance indicators, aiding in retrospective analysis and continuous improvement as well. Then collaboration and communication means that project management tools often include communication features such as chat, comments, discussion forums to facilitate collaboration among team members. Real-time updates ensure that everyone on the team has access to the latest information, fostering transparency and open communication here as well. So friend, collaboration nowadays very easy, communication becomes very easy. And then the release planning and road mapping. That means tools support release planning by allowing teams to organize and plan features across multiple sprints, providing a high level overview of the project roadmap as well. Visual roadmaps are available, which helps stakeholders including product owners and managers understand the timelines and milestones for upcoming releases as well. Then integration with development tools, like integration with version control systems and continuous integration tools ensure a seamless flow of information between development activities and the project management tool. Many project management tools offer integrations with other popular development tools, enhancing the overall development ecosystem. Then customization and flexibility means tools often allow teams to customize workflows to match their unique processes and requirements, ensuring flexibility in adopting Scrum practices. Popular project management tools used in Scrum include Jira, Trello, Asana, Microsoft Azure, and Rally, formerly CA Agile Central, among others. The choice of tools depend on the team's specific needs, preferences, and the level of customization and scalability required for their projects.